Hi crypto kings and queens, welcome to my channel. My name is Natoshi. In today's episode, we're gonna talk about how USDT is moving combined with BTC and Ethereum. Right now, from the live stream that we did have, we were talking about this resistance down at 8.10%, and we have seen a retest right now. So we'll see if the market's gonna reverse from here. If that is the case, we are looking at the next target at 8.8%, going to BTC. If the market drops down, potentially down to 25,640 and the support level that we did close inside, this can be a momentum up to 27,600 or potentially 28,800, 28,500, I would say. The bearish scenario is, of course, if we are breaking the support once again. So we're going down to the lower time frames, combining that with the higher time frames targets. And of course, we will see on the lower time frames what it's supposed to build up before we see the next momentum. So make sure to continue to look at this video, and I'll give you all of the targets that I have for the cryptocurrencies. And also remember, I'm no financial advisor. You need to look up everything yourself first, but make sure to look at this video and you'll know exactly what's going to happen on BTC, Ethereum, and USDT. And if you are looking for a platform to trade cryptocurrencies on, then I'm recommending Bitflex, and we have a collaboration right now when you are depositing $100 through the links in the description down below my video. Then when you're placing your first trade, you will have a $10 back. Doesn't matter what type of size of the trade you're taking, but you will have your $10 back. So that is basically $90. It is a leverage trading platform from 2x to 100x. Always trade with the risk management. This is, of course, how you're supporting my channel, and you don't need any KYC. So this is the really good thing when it comes to Bitflex, is that you don't need any KYC, and this is where you can trade your cryptocurrencies, because even if the market is in a bearish market, we can short it. That's the good thing when it comes to trading. We can still do that. And if you have never used this platform before, make sure to look at this tutorial that I have for Bitflex. Right here, you can see that I have taken $100 from my original account, but the order value will be 481 because I am taking a 5x leverage. You can see that this is 0.016 BTC. So this is basically how we are calculating our trades from the place order. It is really good. I break down everything from when you are depositing your money, how you are using stop losses, limit, market conditional orders, everything for you to be able to know exactly on how to use the platform yourself. So you have everything that you need down below the video. I will also pin the link right here in the corner. And now let's continue to see what's happening on USDT, BTC, and on Ethereum. Okay, so looking at USD, first of all, it's a level that we've been talking a lot at 8.40%, and we saw that the market was reversing back from it. And as always, this is usually what happens when the market is retesting or reaching a previous resistance zone. And we did have a pullback today down to the previous support, the resistance level that we have at 8.10%. So during my live stream today, we were looking at this previous resistance. We were also looking down at 8% and 7.90%. Looking at the daily, so we will see what's going to happen tomorrow if the market just gave us a pullback, if we're going to continue up from here. One of the things that we did talk about was that if the market closes below this level, we just might have a crazy fake out, and then market will continue to drop a little bit more to retest the trend line for the bullish scenario. If the market would have closed below the trend line, then we can have a bigger dump. But looking at the lower time frames, we did retest this level. And of course, we still have to wait and see if the market's just going to give us a retest of these highs around 8.30% and continue to drop, or if we actually have the power to break above these levels. If we are continuing to be bullish on USDT, the next level that we're looking at is at 8.80%. Looking at the weekly chart, this is the all-time high that we have. So if the market pushes up, this will definitely be the next level that we are heading up to. Going to BTC, so we did have the momentum yesterday and we did break the support level, but we are inside the support one more time. So it was a quick drop that we did have. Looking at the lower time frames, we'll see the fake out. But right now, by just looking at market structure, we have these two tops already. So what can happen if this support level, Fibonacci level down at 25,420 is respected? We can push up for a retest at 27,625, 28,550. And if the market closes and we see the market then reverse down, that is a high probability that the market's going to have the next big drop from there. On the lower time frames, this is how it looks. So this was the candlestick that we did have yesterday that broke below the support level. We can just adjust it like this. Going to the 4 hourly, it looks better. So we have the support around 25,670. We are testing the resistance right now as we speak. If we take one fib from high to low, this is very good combined. It's exactly combined with the support once again that we do have. So usually what happens when we have fake outs, we break the support, we come inside the support, we have the retest of the support one more time, and that is the momentum up. We are obviously inside the sideways market once again. If you've been following me for some time, you know that I'm talking about that sideways market on BTC usually goes in between 20 to 60 days. And right now we've been going on for a couple of days from the sideways market till now. This is 25 days that we've been in the sideways market. So if we see the market push down to 25,640, we have 25,450, and we see the market reversing here, then I strongly believe that this will be a momentum for us to reach these levels that we've been talking about. Take profit 2 is exactly combined with Fibonacci level 50 at the time. So just patiently still waiting for the market to give us the retest against these levels. Of course, if we don't see the market reverse from here, we'll see the market break below, have another retest potentially, and that is the momentum. So inside a sideways market, we are obviously waiting for the market to break the sideways market, have a retest most of the time. Sometimes it doesn't give us a retest, but at least break the level. So yeah, either the resistance or the support, but these are the different scenarios that we have. If you want to know how to trade inside a sideways market, I suggest you looking at this video right here that I have. This video is for when we're trading inside the sideways market and we're using the fake outs as guidance combined with support and resistance zones. Try to break it. Market closes inside, so we're buying the market when the candlestick has closed inside of the support once again, and we have our take profit up at the resistance. So this is basically how it's gonna look, and I will show you right now on a live chart, because the market on cryptocurrencies are usually going sideways. So this is a very good knowledge, a very good skill set for you to be able to learn, so you know how to take advantage of the market when it's going sideways. The market on Ethereum looks a little bit different. We saw how we dropped down to the previous support around 1,540. Right now, we can see how the market is retesting the previous support at 1,620. Now we can take one Fibonacci once again. So if we see the market dropping down to the Fibonacci levels that we have around 1,576, 1,566, this can still be where we see the market then have the momentum to the upside. And take profit 1, 2, 3 is combined with the previous tops that we do have. If the market would do the same thing as BTC, which is usually do, we have Fibonacci levels at 1,780, 1,840 as potential retest. But of course, this just might be where the market retests this level. Market breaks below the Fibonacci, creates a lower high, and that can also be the momentum down. Looking at the daily chart, it is a breakout fake out candlestick, but we haven't closed inside the support yet. So it just might be a breakout retest. Looking at the weekly, yeah, so it's a strong zone that we are testing at the time at 1,540. So it just might take some time before the market does continue up. We will see on the lower time frames how the market slowly and steady will give us high highs and high lows. And if that is the case, then as I said on BTC, we just might have the retest of the tops right here. And from the sideways market, we're gonna create the first lower high before the market have the the next momentum down. So, you know, going to the lower time frames, combining it with the higher time frames, they obviously take some time before the market builds this up. But as long as we know the different targets that we're looking at, this is what I see, at least when I'm using my how I see price action. So please tell me what you think will happen to BTC and Ethereum, and also make sure to follow me on my Twitter account. This is where I give you updates on the charts when I'm not live, when I don't have my daily live streams. So look at this one, because I give you updates every single day on here. And if there's any specific pair that you want me to analyze for you, please comment, and then I will give that to you. And also make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification so you know when I am live next time, or when I do have my daily updates. Until we see each other again, have a good day.